Good morning, children. Welcome to the maths class. Since most of them have joined to the group now, I am repeating once again, you have to keep a separate maths notes. Write all the points and the homework in the same, but you have to write the tables daily. In our last class, we have come across what's an algebra, variables, constants. Today, let us see the basics for rules for addition and subtraction. What's the first rule it states is, like terms can be added or subtracted. What are like terms? The terms which have same variable and same power, they are called as like terms. For example, you see here the variables are x, power is 1. If you go for the second example, the variable is y, power is 2. So they are like terms. Like terms, they should have the same variable and power should be same. Don't consider the coefficient. See, the coefficient of y squared here it is 1. The coefficient of the second term y squared is 2. Here the coefficient of y squared is minus half. Only you should see whether variables are same and powers are same. Then they can be added or subtracted. See, these terms are called unlike terms. Why you call this as unlike terms? Because no doubt they have the same variable but the powers are different. Here the variables are different but the powers are same. So these are called as unlike terms. So you should keep in mind always like terms can be added or subtracted. Then terms having the same signs should be added and terms having different signs should be subtracted. But for the answer, always you have to keep the greater number sign. If you have the terms with both plus and plus, you have to add. If you have the terms with minus and minus sign, you have to add. But if you have the terms with plus and minus and plus different signs, you are supposed to subtract. But for the answer, whatever it is, you have to keep the greater number sign. I will give you with some more examples. Add 3x and 2x. Simple examples I am showing. So, the first step you will write solution. What is SOLN means? Solution means answer. 3x and 2x you are supposed to add. Now, you have two terms. Plus and plus. Plus and plus what you have to do? You have to add. So it is plus. Only the coefficients you have to add. Not x and x. So 3 plus 2 it is 5x. Some of them will do what's the answer They will add 3x plus 2x is 5x squared. You should not add the powers. You should add only the coefficients. See, add minus 3x and 2x. So, you will write solution minus 3x. What's the second term? It is 2x. If just a number is given, it is understood plus sign. Before adding, you should see what sign they have. One is having plus and other one is having minus. Different signs should be subtracted. How will you subtract? Always smaller number should be subtracted from bigger number. So 3 minus 2 is 1x. For the answer you should always keep the greater number sign, that is minus. See, now you have to add. If you add, what you should see first? You have to see the signs. Both are having what sign? Same sign, minus, minus. What you have to do? Add. 3 plus 2 is 5. X. Greater number sign is minus. Now, let us see this example. I have to add 3x and minus 2x. Now you see what signs are having terms. One is having plus and the other one is having minus. Different signs. You have to subtract. From bigger number you will subtract the smaller number. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1x. Keep the greater number sign, that is plus. This is how you have to consider the signs and you have to add. If there are same signs, you have to add. Different signs, you have to subtract. But always you have to keep in your mind, greater number sign should be kept for the answer. Add 2x plus 1 and 3x minus 2. Now how many terms are here? 2 terms connected with plus. So what type of expression it is? Binomial expression. Now 2x plus 1. Here this is connected, 2 terms are connected with minus. Binomial, because 2 terms connected with minus. Now I have to add. Only thing I have to keep now in the mind, addition. Okay, both are having plus sign and they are like terms. I have to see whether they are like terms or not. So same signs I am supposed to add. So 3 plus 2 is 5x. The greater number sign is plus. Now children, they are different signs. What I have to do? Subtract. From bigger number I will subtract the smaller number. 2 minus 1 is 1. But greater number sign is minus. So the answer is 5x minus 1. Now let me consider this. See, 4xy, 2xy, they are like terms. xy power is 1, y's power is 1, x power is 1, y power is 1. Now I'll write down first. 4xy plus 2 minus 2xy plus 3. I have to add. Same signs, I will add 3 plus 2 is 5. Now I will go here. There is nothing I have told you. There will be plus. Different signs you have to subtract. 4 minus 2 it is 2. 2xy. Only the coefficient should be subtracted or added. Greater number sign added. So that is 2xy plus 5. Hope you have understood the basics for addition. I will give you some more problems. You please do the homework in the same notes. Don't keep the separate notes. But you have to keep in mind, whenever you do maths, you have to put the date and do repetition. After copying all this, you have to repeat twice. Then only you can understand. Children, one or twice you cannot understand. Do twice, write the tables, then whatever the homework I have given, you do it. You understood now this? Thank you, children.